In this video I'm going to show you on your iPhone how you can set up your own passcode, change it, and how you can set up QWERTY passwords and other password combinations. If you go into settings on your iPhone and scroll down and go to Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode. Then once you're in, you can scroll down and go to change passcode. You enter your current passcode. And enter your new passcode. And just repeat your new passcode. So if you make a mistake, it makes you do it again. So when you go into there, you will see that you've got password options. Please like and subscribe or watch another video.